Hey guys, Shave Cave here. This is a tag from IMCDB. Chris wanted me to lather on some Williams Mug shaving soap. This stuff has been around a while, 1840, wow. Comes in a 1.75 ounce gram, 50 grams. Hold up guys, let me check the... Alright, I think, yeah, we're good. Let's see here. Does not dry on your face, but leaves skin soft and smooth. Let's see. There's all the ingredients. All right. So this stuff is a puck. Use hot water and a good quality brush for luxurious whisker softening lather, leaves skin feeling soft and smooth. Okay. Let's check this out. So apparently these are really, really hard to lather. Okay, so here's the puck. It's got a mug on it. Other side is blank. Man, this thing is hard. Okay, so got my Grand Turk Salem, 1786. So these pucks, this is just my own knowledge. This is just what I've gathered throughout my shaving. Is that these mugs here, if it says mug on it, use a mug. So this there's no face lather on there, so this I'm not going to face lather this. This is a mug lather. So the picture says it right there. I mean, they want us to mug lather this with hot water. So here's some hot water I got from the tub. It's the hottest that it'll produce, and let's just pour the whole, just fill it up really to the top. All right. So I'm going to let that soak for like, as long as, let's say anywhere between 5, possibly 10 minutes. And what that water is going to do is it's going to start softening that entire first layer. And so we will exploit that first layer. And so this won't be a traditional lather by any stretch. All right. Okay, so yeah, I got 2 of these pucks. One of them I practiced with a few different ways, and this way is definitely the most effective that I've learned. Let's see here. All right, what else? What else? It's just got to take some time. It's got to take some time to bloom. Let's see here. Might as well wash out my brush. Brush, soaking. So I never actually used Williams shave soap. The closest thing I've come to shaving with these pucks has been the Colgate pucks. So I like to hit up yard sales and estate sales here in town, and every once in a while I'll find some Colgate shave pucks. So that would be another cool lather reveal, would be the Colgate shave pucks. As a matter of fact, all of my knowledge from those Colgate shave pucks will go into lathering this puck. They're very similar. This has a really kind of sterile, clinical scent to it. I think these soaps came out of yeah, these are some old soaps. Yeah. So it's just a classic soap. It's a real old soap. So it's almost there. Okay, so now on this box, there's a picture of that mug. So what we're going to try in this lather is we're going to try to replicate that exact picture. That will be our reference shot. So I think what this was designed to do, and I'm just speculating, because I think that these were designed to just plop them in water. You take a shower, that way your whiskers get warmed, and by the time you get out, which would be like anywhere between like 5 and 8 minutes, you get out, you dump the water, and then the puck would be kind of soft on the outside. That's how I speculate how it was used. But like I said, there's guys out there who are actual historians in this, and so they are the ones to ask. All right, so just for time purposes, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so I'm going to dump that water. This water. All right, so I'm going to leave a little bit of water in there. So there's water in here and water in here, and that the tip of it's kind of soft now. So if you like notice, like if I push into that puck, that comes out right there. So that's good stuff. That's lather right there. All right. All right, let's get started. This could take a little bit. Just hang with me. Thanks for the shout out, Chris. An interesting one. So you'll see it's kind of like, you know, soupy, the lather. But what's going to happen is as you spin your brush, soap will begin to mix with that water, and it will thicken. It will thicken. We will actually be adding more water to it. So you can hear, I can hear and feel the ribs that are on the bottom of this cup. So the brush is helping in carving up that soap too. So I just want to keep all your lather in there. There we go. All right. Takes a little while, guys. Sorry. And make sure the water is as hot as you can get it. Okay, we're getting there. All right, we're almost there. Okay. So you see inside there? We could actually build it more, so but again, it's the puck is starting to dry out, so let's go ahead and add just a little bit of water. All right. I'm liking this. It's a mixture. It's like a witch's brew. All right, here we go. We're almost there. All right. I think we're there. All right. Whew. Okay. This is how I lather, guys. This is how I lather Williams. Now that you got your lather, yeah, this soap is old school. Way back. It doesn't really smell like anything. And so that paste that I made in here, that's the structure. That structure will hold, as you will see. The last of it. Yeah, I absolutely love pucks. Definitely gone through my share. So there should be a little bit of remaining water. If you just hammer it, all right, you can get one last good old dollop. All right. And then that's kind of what it looks like. All right. Squeeze out the brush. Yeah, it's all right. Yeah. So Williams Mug Shaving Soap. Yeah, I like it. Thanks for that challenge, guys. All right, Friday night, I'm gonna go relax with the girlfriend. You guys take it easy, and we'll see you on Monday. All right, Chief Cave out.